have a Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF3B, serial number 1067375. This machine was new in 2008 and it is running. Machine has a 4th axis capability with the drive and wiring. Right now we are running in the low range. It's a 2-speed gearbox up to 7,500 RPM. 400. We actually put a new spindle in the machine in 2026. 900. So the spindle has yet to cut a chip. Gear change. Again, it's a 20 horsepower 2-speed gearbox. 2,000 RPM with a new spindle from Haas. 5,000 RPM. Again, 7,500 is the top. 6,000 RPM. Machine also has a chip auger. It has the P-Cool programmable coolant. You have a side mount tool changer with a... How many tools? 24 tool ATC. We're simulating tool changes right now. You have your table size is 48 by 18 with 40 inches of X travel, 20 of Y, and 25 of Z. That's your Y axis. Your X. And your Z. Telescopic weight covers all axes. All right. Thank you for watching our video.